Good evening,
आकाश आपकी गुड इवनिंग। आपकी इससे पहले कोई क्लास थी?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
ओके, यू डिड नॉट हैव एनी क्लास टुडे।
No, ma'am.
आप ग्रुप ए से हो कि ग्रुप बी से हो?
Group A.
ओके why nobody else has joined the class today? Is there any confusion? Akash? Akash?
Ma'am, I think the admin of the group had written in the group that there is no class at 7 p.m. today. So after that, he did not shared any link, not nor of the SST class and neither of English class.
So Sudesh sir was taking your SST class. He did not take your class today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Sudesh sir did not take your class today. What was the timing of your SST class?
7 p.m.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'll just check. Akash, Anya, hello. How much did you both score in the test?
I scored 71 out of 80.
out of 400.
Ananya, how much did you score, bache?
Ma'am, I got 65 out of 100.
Very good. Both of you scored well, but next time you have to try for more. Ananya, tell me why you scored 65. Why not 80? You are an intelligent student and I know this. So first understand that because you two are the ones who have read the message carefully, which clearly mentioned that there is no class at 7 p.m. and you came to the class. I will not tell you that there won't be a class today. Because you have given importance, I will give importance to you, right? So first I want to know from Ananya that where your test went wrong according to you. Which subject you were not able to score good?
Ma'am, actually, I have some problem in maths.
Okay. So who takes your maths class, Anup sir or Shashikant sir?
Ma'am, Mr. Sashikant sir.
He's a very nice teacher. In fact, Anup sir is also a very nice teacher.
Ma'am, he teaches very nice, but actually my mistakes in the test. I have some problems in multiplications or additions like that sums.
Okay, so what you can do for it, I can help you with it. What you can do is you can start practicing more. Practice makes a man perfect. So start with small multiplications, not the large ones. Start with small multiplications. It is very good that you know your weakness. So it will be easy for you to overcome your weakness. Start practicing multiplying and dividing small numbers. Start calculating by closing your eyes. Maybe you will be wrong for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, but ultimately you will have the habit, and maybe one day you become the best mathematician. Never lose hope that I cannot do this thing, because you are small children and you are still on the verge of, your brain is improving. We do not use even 1% of our brain in the entire life. Even Einstein did not use his 1% brain. So as you are children, whatever you will try to learn, you will be able to improve day by day. So try to improve. In the next test, just target for more marks. It will be good for you. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. I will be.
Right.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Why all of you are late today in the class?
मैम लिंक अभी भेजा गया है.
लिंक तो बच्चे सेम ही है पुरानी वाली क्लास का. आप में से किसी ने सर से लिंक मांगा कि सर अगर 7 o'clock वाली क्लास नहीं हो रही तो 8:20 वाली क्लास का लिंक दे दो?
Ma'am, I have asked for the sir that there will be class of English or not, but there was no reply. So I joined with the previous link.
Okay, very good. If two people
Ma'am,
can
I do
join
it.
on the same time, Ananya and Akarsh joined at the exact 8:20. They joined at the right time. Then you all people could also have joined at the right time. Your link is same for all the next classes. So make sure even if you don't get the link will be the same for all my classes. You can use them on the time that we conduct the classes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
How was the test for all of you?
Ma'am, very nice.
Good.
Great, ma'am.
Nice. Just give me 1 minute. Sunil ji, namaste. Okay, now tell me how many of you scored less than 70? All the students who scored less than 70, raise your hand.
Ma'am, me.
Prisha, how much did you score?
Ma'am, 52.
62.
Ma'am,
Where did you
52.
make the mistake? आपके मार्क्स कम क्यों आए बेटा? क्या आपको क्लास में सब कुछ तो करवा रखा था?
Ma'am, I got 80 out of 100.
Very good, Pranvi. I know you got 80.
Ma'am, I got 76 out of 100.
But I have all the marks. Okay, let me go through the marks. Ishan and Pranvi scored 80 out of 100. They scored the highest among both the groups. Pranvi and Ishan, they both scored 80. Nobody scored more than them, right? Mankaran Singh scored 77, Saloni 76, Sneha 76, Adi 73, Ishu 73, Vanshika 72, Akarsh 71, Divyanshu 70, Noorpreet Kaur 69, Manpreet 69, Sanvi 69, Navdeep Kaur 69, Safia 69, Himanshu 68, Gauri 67, Natik 67, Harmanjot 67, Pavaldeep Kaur 67, Ananya 65, Ishita 65, Ishmeet 65, Disha 65, Bhavya 64, Divyansh 64, Kanav 64, Kalyani 63, Lavish 63, Poonam 63, Amanpreet 63, Navneet 63, Palak 62, Jaspreet 62, Prisha 62, Simranjeet Kaur 61, Khushpreet 61, Tamanna 61, Ankit 60, Sukhmanpreet Kaur 60, Satveer Kaur 60, Vanshika 60. All those who have scored 60 to 70 marks, you have been just on the borderline. We were not supposed to keep students who have scored less than 70 in group A, but since we read your answers, we felt that you all have made silly mistakes. You were not concentrating and listening properly in the class, and you were in a hurry to answer. You don't have to do this from the next time. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have your groups been reshuffled or not?
Yes, ma'am. We are reshuffled.
Is there anyone from you who has come from group B to group A who has not attended any of my previous classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am Vanchika Sharma.
Ma'am
Ankit
Noorpreet.
Kumar, Khushpreet Kaur, Amanpreet Kaur, Himanshu Safia, Navdeep Kaur, Divyanshu Garg, Noorpreet Kaur, Ishu. All of you are present here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. But we still have only
Ma'am
19
Vanchika
participants
Sharma.
today. Vanchika, you have come from group B?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am Vanchika Sharma.
Okay. Okay. Keep yourself on mute. I will speak to sir. Malik ji, namaskar.
हाँ जी नमस्कार। और ठीक हैं आप?
हाँ जी, बहुत बढ़िया। आप बताइए।
हाँ, आज मैं थोड़ा बिजी था, फिर इनका बच्चों का ग्रुप बनाया मैंने बैठ के। फिर
हाँ जी।
सुदेश जी कहने लगे क्लास मेरी तो लगेगी नहीं फ्राइडे तक, मेगा जी की लगेगी। मैंने आपको मैसेज भी किया, वो मैं लास्ट मिनट तक देखता रहा कि शायद आप पढ़ लेंगे, देख लेंगी और मुझे क्लियर हो जाएगा, ताकि बच्चे मुझसे पूछ भी रहे थे क्लास लगेगी नहीं लगेगी, तो कंफ्यूजन में रहे हम। मैं
एक्चुअली
पता
मेरी
नहीं
क्लास
शायद
चल रही थी। एक्चुअली मेरी क्लास चल रही
जी
थी,
जी
तो
जी
फोन देख नहीं पाई मैं उस वजह से।
हाँ, फिर मैंने जो देख रहा मेरे मैं आपका देख रहा था व्हाट्सएप, वो नहीं हो रहा था। फिर खैर सुदेश जी का आ गया कि मेगा जी वेट कर रहे हैं, तो फिर मैंने तब बच्चों को बताया। बच्चों को दरअसल सही पता नहीं लगा पहले, और मुझे ये रहा कि मैंने लिंक दे दिया ना जुड़ी, फिर दिक्कत होगी। वो बच्चे कई बार तो इस
नहीं नहीं,
करके फिर मैं
एक दो
रुक गया।
बच्चों ने तो पहले ही ज्वाइन कर लिया था, खैर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मैं सिर्फ आपसे ये
जी
जानना चाह रही थी कि रीशफलिंग हो गई है, सब बच्चों को इन्फॉर्मेशन तो मिल गई है ना कि अब वो ग्रुप बी में है या ग्रुप ए में है?
हाँ जी, उन्होंने मिल गया, रिजल्ट दे दिया है। कुछ थोड़ा बहुत कहीं एक दो नाम की थे जो कंफ्यूजन था, वो क्लियर हो जाएगा सुबह तक। अभी 39 स्टूडेंट जो है ग्रुप में से मैं आगे 44 के आसपास इसमें हैं, 44 है शायद,
हाँ,
एक आध
आज
बच्चा
बच्चे
कम
कम
ज्यादा
है।
होगा जी। तो
ऐसा कोई
वो
बच्चा
सर
तो नहीं है जिसका कोई ये इशू रहा हो कि मेरे टेस्ट के मार्क्स मुझे नहीं मिले हैं या मेरा सबमिट नहीं हुआ था, या कुछ ऐसे भी? कुछ 6th-7th
नहीं,
में तो ऐसे एक दो
आज
बच्चे।
एक दो केस आए थे, पहले कल आए थे, आज नहीं आए। तो
अच्छा, तो
हो
उनका
सकता है
क्लियर हो
कि
गया।
वो शायद क्लियर हो जाएगा, या कल तक ये सारा कुछ सेटिंग में आ जाएगा।
अगर ऐसा कोई है
बच्चे भी
जिनके मार्क्स नहीं आए हैं, तो वो आप मुझे मार्क्स एक बार मैसेज कर दीजिएगा, मैं एक बार चेक भी कर लूंगी कि मेरे से कोई गलती ना होगी और रिजल्ट कंपाइल करने में।
ठीक ठीक है जी, वो मैं देख लूंगा जी।
ठीक है। एक चीज मैं और पूछ रही थी कि आज फिर जैसे बच्चे कम हैं, अभी दूसरे ग्रुप वाले बच्चे भी ज्वाइन नहीं किए, तो आज तो इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लास रख लेते हैं। ऑलरेडी हमारे पास टाइम भी कम ही रह गया, बच्चे लेट जुड़े हैं,
बिल्कुल
तो आज
बिल्कुल जी, बिल्कुल आज
इंट्रोडक्टरी
तो
रख लेते
बिल्कुल
हैं, और
इंट्रोडक्शन है,
फिर
कल
जब
फिर
बच्चों
वो
का
सारा।
क्लियर हो जाएगा तो एक बार रिकैप करके सिलेबस स्टार्ट कर देंगे, इस तरह
बिल्कुल
से
जी,
कर।
बिल्कुल
ठीक ठीक ठीक।
बिल्कुल जी, बिल्कुल वेलकम,
ठीक है
ओके
जी।
जी।
So now any one of you who has scored less than 70 marks, all of you who have scored 70, who have scored 80, you have done a good job, but still it was not your best. The test was very, very easy. It was very easy and I was expecting 90 plus from all of you. But still you made it to 80. There are only 2 students who just touched 80. They were not even 82, 83. But yes, they have done the best amongst your group. So they deserve applause. There are a few students who have scored more than 70. Now the ones who have scored less than 70, I want to ask you, how many of you found difficulty answering questions in English and reasoning or general knowledge? How many of you felt that you have lost marks not because of maths or science or your calculations are weak, but because you were not able to attempt the questions given in the section of English or general knowledge or reasoning? Raise your hand. I will discuss the question paper with you today. If there was a problem, I will help you understand why the reasoning answers were as such as which you did not thought, or why the answers were different from what you expected them to be. All of you felt English was easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Reasoning was also easy?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not.
Ma'am.
Bache,
Yes,
my
ma'am,
voice is
reasoning
very
was
clear.
also
It is your
easy.
internet that is not clear. Pranvi, bache, it's your internet that has a disturbance.
Your voice is clear to me.
Okay, then it's fine. So first and foremost, I would like to discuss the rules of the group, because many students have come from group B to group A and they have neither attended Sudesh sir's class, my class, or Shashikant sir's class. So I want one of you to repeat the rules of the class. Raise your hand who wants to tell the rules of the class quickly. Okay, Pranvi.
Okay, ma'am. We should keep a notebook and pen with our in the class.
Okay.
Ma'am, we should maintain discipline.
Very good. Yes, Natik.
In discipline, we should keep our mic on mute.
Yes, Natik.
Ma'am, she could off your videos.
Yes, Akarsh.
If there is any query, we have to raise hand or write it in the chat box, not to mute the mic.
Okay. This is common for all classes, right? You have to be punctual, you have to be disciplined, you have to keep a copy, a pen, and a water bottle with you. You have to keep yourself on mute. You do not have to speak during the class. If you want to ask any question, you have to raise hands and then ask. Now tell me the rules of my class. Who wants to tell the rules of my class?
The rule of your classes, we should.
Let Sukhmanpreet answer. You have already answered one question. Sukhmanpreet, give me the answer.
Ma'am, if you search, nobody will draw. Ask question with you 100 times. Nobody speak Hindi or Punjabi. Bring water bottle in the class. Mute yourself. Listen properly to you. Became good listener.
Very good. Who else? Akarsh, you want to speak something else? Yes, Neha, what doubt you have? I will come to your doubts, Neha. The foremost important rule of my class is I am teaching you English, whether I am teaching you English or reasoning or GK. None of you is allowed to speak in any other language than English. The only person who is allowed to use any other language is me or sir, no one else. Divyansh, put yourself on mute. Divyansh Chaudhary, put yourself on mute. Okay, Sneha, what is your doubt, bache?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in reasoning.
Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, question number 3 were 2, comma 1, comma half, comma 1/4. Ma'am, आगे blanks.
अच्छा, क्या doubt है बच्चे इसमें?
Ma'am, what is the answer of this question?
Give me 1 minute. Question number बताओ.
Can I tell?
Ma'am, I think.
I will ask you people only. Don't worry. सबको question दिखना चाहिए ना?
Ma'am, I think this is question number 6.
This is question number 6. Okay. Question number 9, 11. 2, 1, 1/2, 1/4. This is the question you are asking or the
Yes,
other?
ma'am. Ma'am, no, this is.
2, 1, 1/2, 1/4. This is very easy, Sneha. What is the relation between 1 and 2?
Ma'am, 1 is
One
the
is
gap.
2.
1 is the double of 2, or 2 when divided by 2, we get the answer as 1. Right? 1 when divided by 2, we get half. 1/2. 1/2 when divided by 2, we get 1/4. 1/4 when we divide by 2, we get 1/8. So the answer is 1/8.
Ma'am, I want to confirm my answer. Ma'am, my answer is correct. 1/8.
Okay, then it's good.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else has a doubt in any other question other than this one?
All questions are clear.
To everyone, all questions are clear?
Ma'am, yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So I want one of you to tell me that where do you find and in which subject you find a problem? What were the questions in the test of which subject wherein you found it tough to answer? Wherein you think you must have lost marks?
Ma'am, I have lost marks in math.
Okay.
I too.
Maximum of you say that you have lost marks in maths.
Yes,
But the questions of maths were not that tough. They were easy.
Ma'am, we need more time to solve that question. That's why we got
Okay.
less marks.
Who is taking your maths class? Shashikant sir or Anup sir?
Ma'am, Shashikant.
Ma'am,
Both of them are very good teachers. Both of them are very good teachers, and all the students they teach are IITians or in the best colleges or at the best places. They have been placed in best jobs. So make sure that you attend your maths classes properly. Now you understood English properly, you understood social studies properly, but you lost marks in maths. The next time it might be a possibility that you start listening to English maths properly and you ignore English and you start losing marks in English. So as I said earlier in my class, and I have been time and again saying the same thing, that every subject is important. Every subject plays a vital role in the development of your life. It helps you in your future. So you have to be very attentive in all your classes, whether it be school or it be the classes here, right? Any doubt in any question from the test or any doubt related to the test? If you want to ask, you can ask right now. From the next class, I won't give you time to ask doubts related to your test. I am particularly giving you time today to ask any doubts that you have in your questions. If you have it in any other subject also, you can ask it. We can discuss it.
Ma'am, I have.
Yes, Adi, tell me.
Ma'am, brilliant is a noun.
Yes, brilliant is a noun. Why it should not be a noun? If honesty is a noun, it's an abstract noun. If honesty is a noun, brilliant is also a noun. You know, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is an abstract noun, the thing which we cannot see. Similarly, brilliant we cannot see, but brilliant is a noun. I did not teach anything today. Yes, Pranvi?
Brilliant is also adjective.
Yes, there are many words who can be used differently at different places wherever we form a sentence. But your question was, Shreya is a brilliant girl, right? Is this the question, Adi, you asked for?
Shreya is a brilliant student.
So in this question, Shreya is a noun.
Shreya, student, and brilliance are the noun.
All three are nouns, but first proper noun is Shreya, abstract noun is
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
and which kind of noun is student?
Ma'am, common noun.
Common noun.
So what
Ma'am, common noun.
Very good. So what was the confusion, Adi?
Only this.
Only you could not understand that why brilliant is a noun. But brilliant is an abstract noun. Something that we can, anything that we can see or anything that we feel is a noun. Similarly, if somebody is brilliant, if you people are brilliant, I can feel it. So it's an abstract noun. Okay. Pranvi, I won't be giving any sort of questions today. All I want you to is discuss with me today. If there is any doubt, I can share the screen and we can quickly go through the questions just in case there is any. You can see my screen, everybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can see.
Now you can
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
screen. Do you see the
Yes,
questions of the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's quickly discuss. Was there any question in general knowledge that you were not able to attempt or you did not know the answer? Any question? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So if we talk about these questions, the reasoning ones, we have already discussed question 11. If we talk about question 9, 3, 5, 7, 11, the next will be
Ma'am,
30.
Ma'am, 13.
why?
Ma'am, 13.
And because these are odd
Because
numbers.
all
They are prime.
numbers.
And these are odd numbers.
No, bache. If it would have been odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9 is also an odd number. 9 is not there in the series.
Ma'am, these are
Ma'am,
prime
because
numbers.
they are
And
prime numbers.
These are all prime numbers.
And prime
Prime
numbers.
number.
Okay, so tell me 3, 5, 7, 11. The next number is 13. After that, what will be the next number?
Ma'am,
17.
17.
After 17, what will be the
17.
next number?
Ma'am, 17.
After 17.
19.
19.
Very good. Now, when we go to the next question, 2, 8, 3, 26, 7, 4, 64, 5. What would be the next and why in this
125.
pattern?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
120.
120.
8 the cube.
Okay.
7. 4 is 64 and the
125.
5.
What is the pattern? Who will tell me?
Ma'am,
These all are
ma'am,
the
can
cubes.
I-
Ma'am, the cube of 2 is
By
8
the
and the
25.
cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64 and cube of 5 is 125.
Very good, Natik. Very good. Yes. Next, I have already explained the half of 2 is 1 and the half of 1 is half. Half of half is 1 by 4 and the half of 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. Now, the next question. Many of you have done wrong. Melt is to liquid. Freeze is to?
solid.
Solid.
Very
Solid.
good.
Solid.
Many of you have written as ice. If it would have been melt as to water, then it would have been freezes to ice, but it was liquid, so freeze is solid. It is asking the states, right? The next one is find the odd one out from the given options. Again, many of you have done it incorrect. Book is to author,
Patient
art
to
is to
doctor.
artist, invention is to scientist, patience is to doctors. Tell me the correct answer.
Patient to
Ma'am,
doctor.
Patient is to doctor.
Why?
patient to doctors.
Why?
To other.
Ma'am, because book
Ma'am, book are other.
They are plural.
No, it's not about
Ma'am, I-
plural. Who can explain
Ma'am, I
it?
know the reason.
Okay,
Ma'am,
tell
I
me
know
the
the
reason.
properly.
Ma'am, because patients.
I know the
Let
Ma'am,
her
I
speak
know.
first. Let her speak first. Yes, Ananya, continue.
मैम क्योंकि पेशेंट्स को हम जैसे इन्वेंशन कोई साइंटिस्ट कर रहा है आर्ट कोई आर्टिस्ट कर रहा है तो पेशेंट्स भी कोई जैसे बीमारी कोई होगी तो वो पेशेंट्स बनाएगी डॉक्टर तो
Absolutely.
बीमारी को
हाँ.
ठीक करेंगे
बुक इज टू ऑथर. ऑथर क्या कर रहा है? बुक लिख रहा है, उसकी खुद की है. आर्टिस्ट क्या कर रहा है? आर्ट बना रहा है, उसका खुद का है. साइंटिस्ट क्या कर रहा है? इन्वेंशन उसकी खुद की है. डॉक्टर क्या कर रहा है? ट्रीटमेंट कर रहा है. अगर यहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट होता तो ये ऑड नहीं होता, लेकिन ये पेशेंट्स हैं, दो अलग चीजें हैं. पेशेंट इज अ डिफरेंट पर्सन. पेशेंट्स डू नॉट बिलोंग टू द डॉक्टर्स. द पैटर्न इज बिलोंगिंग. The book belongs to the author, the art belongs to the artist, the invention belongs to the scientist, but the patients do not belong to the doctors. Okay?
Excuse me.
Yes,
I
Pranjali?
have a reason.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, book is non-living, art is non-living,
Yes,
invention is non-living.
Absolutely.
But
That is also correct. That is also correct.
Okay, ma'am.
But the treatment is also non-living. If it had been a treatment here or a surgery here, then it would not have been an odd thing, right? But surgery is also not a living thing.
तो मैं भाई अंग्रेजी कोट दिया.
Who has a problem with my speaking in English? First tell me this. Simranjeet? Simranjeet, talk to me. You are here for a purpose. If you have a problem of me speaking in English, I can repeat everything in Hindi or any other language in which you are comfortable. But if you will listen to more English, you will be able to learn more. You will be able to inculcate it in your habits. That is why I speak in English, because I am teaching you English. There is no use if I start teaching you English in Hindi. The purpose will fail.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to confirm the answer of the question. What is the another name of Lok Sabha?
What have you mentioned?
Ma'am, I have mentioned the House of People.
It is correct. The House of People is Lok Sabha. Parliament is President plus the Council of States, that is Rajya Sabha, plus the House of People, that is the Lok Sabha. So Lok Sabha is also called the House of People. What is the other name of Rajya Sabha?
Ma'am,
parliament.
upper house. Ma'am, the
Upper
upper house.
house. Upper house. What does the, not the upper house, Council of States.
yes ma'am council of states
Council of
होता है.
States. Council of States. And what does Parliament consist of?
Rajya Sabha
Ma'am,
and Lok
Rajya
Ma'am,
Sabha,
Rajya
Lok
Sabha,
Sabha
Lok Sabha
and the
and
president.
Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and president.
Absolutely
Ma'am?
correct. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
whose paper is this?
This is not anyone's paper. This is just the question paper. There are no answers. That is why. What does the photo depict?
Non-verbal
Non-verbal
communication.
Non-verbal
Very good.
communication.
Very good. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, is sign communication is a type of verbal communication?
No, it's a type of non-verbal communication.
Ma'am, but why?
Why sign communication is verbal? It was non-verbal. In sign communication, you do not speak, you do not make use of words, or you do not make use of sounds. Anything that uses sounds or words is an example of verbal communication. But if you do not use any sounds or any words, then it is non-verbal communication. What do you use in sign language?
Ma'am, expressions.
Expressions, gestures,
Ma'am,
eye
signs.
contact, touch, posture,
Ma'am,
body language.
Ma'am, posture, body language.
Right. So that is non-verbal communication. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have give a question in the paper that select the incorrect option.
Yes.
मैम इसमें आपने वो पोस्टर और गेस्टर वाला था, सिलेक्ट द नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन था वो शायद.
Select the incorrect option. Incorrect में क्या select करना है आपने? Writing is a type of verbal communication. Is this correct? Yes, it is correct. Writing makes use of words. Does it makes use of words? Yes. Is writing a non-verbal communication? No, writing is not a non-verbal communication. So this option
Ma'am,
is
Ma'am, but
incorrect.
why?
Ma'am, but there is a question whose option is posture, body language.
I will tell you. I will tell you which question.
Okay, ma'am.
It says select an example of non-verbal communication: eye contact or appearance, facial expression or gesture, posture or body language, all the above. The answer is all the above. Eye contact is non-verbal, facial expression is non-verbal, gesture, appearance is non-verbal, posture, body language or touch is non-verbal. So all the above is the correct answer. Where is the
Okay,
doubt?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you please send the Google Forms to check our wrong questions?
I will send it to you today evening or tomorrow morning.
Ma'am, yes, please, it's request.
Yeah, I will do that. Anyone else has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, we don't have a doubt.
Okay, so probably your groups were supposed to be reshuffled today and we had to start with the new group formation. So initially when we start the group, the students who have already attended my classes might get a little bored in the first or the second class because some students have joined from group B. I have to take communication with them to bring them at the level that you all are. It will be a revision for you. So what we can do is I will keep a writing quiz for all those who have attended my class. It will be your choice. All those who want to attend the test can attend the writing test during that 40 minutes class. And all those who want to revise communication in the class can revise communication with me in the class. For 2 classes, I would continue with communication, and after that, we will finish communication by next week, and then we will start with your spoken communication and your skills of writing. I said earlier also that we will start, but we were in the middle of reshuffling you people. So that's why I myself resisted myself from starting it again. Fine? Is that okay with all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we
Ma'am,
will
when
meet-
will you send Google Forms?
Yes, I will send it. I will send it right after the class. So you will get it on your email addresses. And now we will wind up the class for today and we will meet day after tomorrow. The timing will remain the same as of now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है सुनील जी, फिर क्लास को
Okay,
खत्म
ma'am.
करते हैं.
मैम गुड
ठीक है
नाइट।
जी मेघा जी, बिल्कुल ठीक है। कल सारे बच्चे
Good night,
मिलेंगे
ma'am.
और
है।
हम पूरे तैयार में होंगे और ठीक है टाइम पे होगा। बहुत अच्छे आपका रहा आज का वार्म
Thank you
क्लास
जी,
थी, वार्म
thank you.
क्लास अच्छी रही। थैंक यू वेलकम जी।
ओके जी,
ओके नमस्कार।
नमस्कार.
Ma'am,